All right, let's go ahead and show you that forecast for today. You see right in Kansas City, we're going to be watching the threat for severe weather, even talking a possibility of tornadoes. Yup, you heard me right. There's a 5% chance of tornadoes. Not too significant, but again, Kansas City is included in that. We do have a 15% chance of some winds getting a little bit higher than 15%. Then we got winds up to 15% also for hail, up to 15% chance for damaging hail. But you see, this is the severe setup for today. You see the low pressure slowly move to the northeast, and you see that where that tornado or two chance is possible. We also are currently watching those winds begin to shift into now Kansas City. We're going to be watching places like northeastern Kansas, maybe even seeing a tornado or two, showing you the models. Watch all these storms blast through Kansas and Missouri, eventually into places like Wisconsin as well as Iowa and even parts of where we could be watching the threat for that. You see our storm chaser Ryan Mayer right now. He's out on the roads. He's actually out on the road right now in Holt County, Missouri, and watching that severe. He's been waiting for that severe weather to begin. Now you see it's all being placed by this low pressure that you could even see from satellite. And I want to actually pause my if I can so I could actually show you where the low pressure is really quick if I can. All right, this is right now. All right, perfect. You see the low pressure is right there. You see the low is right around the Nebraska as well as Missouri, Kansas state line. We're going to be watching all those winds again begin to converge and may possibly cause a tornado or two somewhere in that area. Now, I believe we have a brand new watch out. Let me go ahead and confirm that with my Storm Prediction Center here. Um, all right. So now that's out. All right. So the watch. All right. So the mesoscale discussion's out of effect now. All right. So I think the chances for a watch probably isn't there anymore. That's why they don't have it. But we could still be watching the threat for severe weather sometime into today. You also see places to the east west of Huntsville, excuse me, south central Hunts Spring County. That goes until 5:15 for Colbert and Franklin counties. Now we move up north into places like Charleston in Indiana, where we're watching the threat for severe weather now. Cooks Mills, excuse me, Paradise. That is in effect for 9 more minutes, very very soon. Seeing a few storms begin to bubble up into the Indianapolis metro area, but I do want to show you right where the real potential is for severe weather. I can't get to that right now, but that's your severe weather watch.